gonna make Nutella mug cake. So let's get started. First, take 1 mug or cup. We have to add 3 tablespoons of flour. Next, we have to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. We have to put 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Next, we have to put half teaspoon of baking powder. Now we have to mix it. Next, we have to put 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Last but not the least, we have to add 5 tablespoons of milk. Now I will put my favorite choco chips. To put Nutella. To add some more choco chips. To bring to the microwave station. We have to microwave for 2 minutes. We have to put right here. Now we have to close it. 2 minutes this time and just cut. This is more Nutella. You can just spread it on top of it. Yummy Nutella mug cake is done. Let it cool down, then you can let it eat. Now you can also add ice cream and enjoy it. Which is very good. Bye. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.